All right, so just completed the top half of the Master Grade Gat X370 Raider Gundam. So this is from the Gundam Seed series. So just for comparison, the 50 caliber. And then for comparison, we have the wee little RG unit. Make them hold hands. So it is a pretty big, significant size difference. And I will say, this does feel a lot sturdier and easier to manipulate. So I was able to get all the stickers on the Gat X370, including the sticker in the back. Now there is one thing that I'm concerned about, and I think this should be resolved with the back piece, because this part is open. But very, very nice. Everything looks beautiful, so I can't wait to complete this model, and then I'm going to do a complete side-by-side with the two that I built so far. And then I think I might actually move to the Orphan, the Iron Blooded Orphan, because that one is an HG model. So that way I can kind of, compare all three models and which one was the easiest, which one was the hardest to put together, which one was my favorite experience. I can already tell so far. And then after that, I'm going to put together the RG Sinanju, which is supposed to be one of the hardest ones to do. All right, so I appreciate you guys giving me some of your time today. Check out the videos in the playlist. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Michael, out. It's a goddamn Gundam. Gundam it.